things. Here, I'll show you the references right over here. I'm going to be drawing this and that. So, yeah, let's get started. Alright, first I'm going to start with the tip of the brush. Oops, sorry guys. Do that. Kind of like a seahorse, like raining. And like I want to give it some details. Gonna be good. I'm going to do 2 brushes. If you want to do 1 brush, just follow along with that one. This one I'm just going to do nothing. Sorry guys, I'm just trying to see if it's good or not. There we go. I'm just doing differences. Oh my gosh. So now we are going to draw, or you could say you will paint. There we go. So it will do a little circle because the brush is going to go through there, and you could also put your finger to hold it, and then you could paint. So yeah. Now we're going to do a lot of patterns. Now we want to do them in different things. So let's make like a whoopsie X. That's so funny. Alright, next thing, want to go over here. You need to also think where you're going to go and stuff, because that's also really important about this. There we go. Yay! So that's one paint. Is it cold where you are? Because it is here. In fact, I think it's like super cold here. There we go. Now I'm gonna make 2 things of this. And make another one because I kind of want to be scribbles and some lines. I like that most of them are different. I'm gonna do like squigglies. That kind of looks like a 3 actually. And do lines here. Do some circles over here. And we're gonna do things like this. Well, that's cool. I kind of like that, actually. And we're gonna do, I'm gonna do some triangles here. if you want to do hearts here and, you know, circles here and some other stuff, you can do that. But I'm also going to do hearts. And I also like there's more of a mouth than like almost 1, 2, 3, 6. 2, 3, 6. That's kind of a neat way to say it. And over here we're gonna do some whoop, whoop, whoop. There we go. I kind of really like that design, but I'm gonna do one different here. Whoa, whoa. Oh. So then I'm gonna do some cool. I'm gonna keep like doing the thing that I did around here to make some polka dots. Now let's color. So here we have the thing. Make that color. Next, and over here we have 10 here. 10 deep red. 10 deep red. It's one of the things. There's usually a number. See? That is a deep one. Next, I'm going to do 79, 17, 9, and let's see if you can read that. Okay, closer. I'm just gonna cover the polka dots because I'm gonna do a darker color over that, which I'm going to do now because I'm going to use this. '71 cold blue. Yeah. Next, I'm going to use this one, which I don't know what, I don't want the lines to be like a different color. Plus, I don't think they should be a different color, right? Yeah, so I just did a different color for them. And then I'm going to do a $15. Random, right? Yes, random. That means you could, you know, I'm just going to name my own color. Cherry color. Because it's kind of like cherry color. I'm just going to name it my own. Because I don't care what this says. I care what I say. You should give yourself power of what you've done with all of this awesome stuff that I have done and you've done. So yeah. Next, I'm gonna do this color. Oh, there we go. wow, that's kind of funny, but I like it. Which I'm going to color this thing tone color, and in the background I will I'll do something with that. Color. Yeah. Oh, this is a nice color. 147. Yes, 147. 147. I'm just gonna do this there. Oops. Now, finally, I'm gonna do the background of this. My mom's in the room trying to learn some art. I finally let her into the party.
You're silly, you.
We've been laughing, and here I've been saying I am so cold. I'm putting on. In fact, this is like a sweatshirt. I have nothing under this, but it's like really warm. Usually, here I have two things to tell you. Today I have been feeling, actually 3. Today I've been feeling a little run down. Second thing, it's kind of hard to breathe. Very last thing, Mama said I might be coming down with something because I am feeling so cold when Mommy says it's not cold for her. But she has like these things, like the things from up here. She has really short, she has a really short thing. So I don't know what's going on, and she doesn't really feel cold. But I really feel cold. In fact, I may need a blanket. I like how it feels when I do this. It feels like all right, now I have 70, and you can see that right there, 70 there. And this is a blank spot because sometimes I like to do nothing and just do blank. So yeah. But I'm actually going to let you color the rest. You know that's colored together. I'm sorry I said that. But these are amazing. Look at these. They're like brushes, but they're like so cool. Look at this. But you kind of have to be careful with these. So yeah, I don't want to take too much of your day. So bye everyone. It was so nice to see you. I'm just gonna give you enough time to go outside and run. Bye.